crazy.
Nina.
Oh, if you
There's
can
a
get
H
maple
and
syrup.
a blue love heart. That.
Show me.
Just write
It's a
bread
H.
or write
H for
baguette.
Harim.
And I love blue love heart.
Oh, you love your blue heart. And my poor son, he lost so much weight.
Who?
You.
My Harim.
My
Harim.
son said lost so much weight with
Listen.
Yeah.
Excuse me?
He's not eating, innit? Huh?
None of us eating.
No,
Bread that we can cut.
No?
We're craving French toast. So.
French toast.
Craving that. Oh, yeah.
Once I make it,
Oh,
you're gonna be like, oh my god, can I have a piece?
yeah.
know.
Then we're gonna
I know
say,
for sure.
piss off.
Yo, Brazilian
You know what?
milkshake. Oh, have you had this Brazilian milkshake?
No milkshake.
Well, Sumaya,
Brazilian lemonade,
I'm,
whatever it is.
I'm gonna say that Mali and Siddiq food is bang.
What about mine, huh?
Bang.
I like both of them.
about mine?
Huh? It's style rigid.
Do you know what we could do? You've got brioche burger buns there.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Should we use them?
Square it.
No, we just use them.
Yeah, we could do that. Oh, we get the other ingredients though. And get cinnamon because I don't know what
Siddiq,
it is.
I just joined two bread together, Jana.
You can join a bunch of breads
Yeah,
together as
I
well.
do
That's
that. When I make that part thing, I
That's
join the
another way of
bread.
doing it. You
I
join
join
a
the
bunch of
bread.
breads
You
together.
know how you join the bread? You
You
pour a
butter.
little bit
Butter.
butter
Yeah,
in
I
the
know.
middle and join the bread. I
Yeah.
used to do
Do
that.
that then.
I could do that.
Your mummy's a good cook as well, isn't it?
Or you can
with
just,
the
or you can just,
Just with the
maybe do
chickpeas.
one experimental brioche bun one.
I think I could do it by joining bread.
Okay.
Join the bread is very good, but as far as you
But I think
go,
you should order the thick bread though.
What thick
Siddiq,
bread? There is no thick bread
Siddiq,
to order. There's sourdough. Does it work with sourdough?
I
Let's
don't
see
know.
if I can find baguette.
what's in the
You
menu?
got eggs, right?
Have a look. It's in the fridge. Go on, in it. Go on. Just order it anyway. Order it anyway because eggs we always use.
Okay.
Is waharuje. Okay. And spina waha something. And pikore and samosa and chutney. And all.
No ice cream, please.
Ice cream. No, you don't have to have ice cream.
I want just
You
French toast.
just want that. That's fine.
Oh, Siddiq, I'm so hungry. Siddiq Jan, I'm so hungry.
Wasting away.
Where's Dina?
Mackie's ice cream. She's should I tell her to come in?
Yeah, tell her.
I'll ask.
Without my Dina, it's no family, no complete. Yeah. Aya?
Whoa.
Aya? Aya? Come
Her
on,
eyes
give
are
kiss to
like-
Mamu. Give kiss to Mamu. Give kiss to
No, you're gonna make me ill.
Mamu. Come on.
Give me a hug.
Kiss the forehead.
Give me a hug.
इसको जुकाम हुआ है. Oh, Aya. Mamu say you gonna give me your bugs.
Yeah, you are. I love you, but don't make me
Oh
ill.
my god, this girl looks so cute.
Especially when we're fasting. Are we all gonna get ill? While oh god, that'd be the worst.
Oh,
If
come
people told me,
Mm.
they never tell you in there when you have kids, you're just gonna be ill all the time. They never tell you that.
Is it?
If they told me, I would have thought about it.
Shut
That's
up.
what you get from
You
kids.
still want more kids.
No, I'll be ill all the time.
If people told you that you got children, you're gonna be ill all the time. Yeah, obviously they go
You're ill
bugs.
all the time because they're ill all the time because they can't keep their fingers out of anything.
Did you?
No, I put it in the basket.
Nabi,
Is that good enough?
Nabi,
These are the ingredients you need, right?
Nabi,
It's just like
Nabi.
ice-
Butter,
What butter?
anchor,
Actual butter.
butter,
Actual butter, not the spread they use.
अंका ओह मैं तो आके लेट गई हूँ मैं तो आके लेट गई हूँ मेरा तो बुरा हाल है मेरा बुरा हाल है मेरा बुरा हाल है मुझसे तो बात भी नहीं हो रही है आज तैयारी हो रही है ये दोनों का सबसे पहले ये आके लेट गई क्या क्या बना दोनों लड़के भी हेल्प कर रहे हैं
No, I'm not cooking anything. I'm just...
You making French toast, isn't it?
This looks like French toast? No, this isn't French toast.
Oh, what's this? This is pakora.
Yeah.
Why are you putting
It's
potato?
onion bhaji.
Oh, it's onion bhaji. Okay. So it's no pakora. That's why.
I don't know what it is, it just needs tomato.
They just need tomato. Okay.
They
What
needed onion, but we don't have onions. So
Oh.
we're gonna put tomato in.
Okay, so no onion. That's why you're putting tomato in.
Well, I need it to be some kind of juicy, you know? I
Okay.
need some kind of juicy.
Oil ho raha hai. So basically, Siddiq is making French toast for us. We craving for it.
Well, I'm not making it right now.
Oh, you're not making it right now? When you gonna make it?
Wait, it takes 2 seconds.
Oh, okay. So you're just making this picola without onion, is it?
Well, there's onion in it.
But little.
There's enough. You know, it's no. Iqbal Saab's mixture.
Oh, okay.
And it's his special mixture, he said. But it was only enough for 2 picolas.
Because he don't know we all gonna come in it. We just suddenly decide to
No,
come.
he made this now.
Is it?
Yeah. But he doesn't want to eat.
Singer. The shallow jorko. No, because he want to eat 8 pakode. That's why he cook for himself.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's exactly.
Now we all gonna eat it. So for tomato di drun ko bache.
Huh?
For tomato di drun ko.
Good. Have you never eaten?
Potato pakkivache ka.
No. See, look at this consistency. No, it's good. Mama, you put chili and everything. Stop.
Hey, I'm gonna stop cooking for you then.
Just stop putting chili and everything. That's what you need to do.
But you love my food.
Yeah, I don't love it when it comes out the other side.
Come on.
Should we use fingers? Let's use fingers.
Yeah, finger is much
Let's
better.
do traditional way.
Yeah, traditional way. Come on. Do it like your mom do it. But don't burn yourself.
Oh, we're gonna burn myself.
Varkoti watch.
No, what kote is for women.
Yeah, you're perfect, Sidhu.
Of course I'm perfect.
Mashallah.
Joking.
Mashallah.
Bismillah.
Like mother, like son. Kana?
Look at that. Teaching you.
Yeah. Wow.
Teaching you guys how to cook. Huh? I'm teaching you guys.
Vaji. Okay.
Sorry, but most of you women out there can't even cook toast. No, I'm joking.
Yeah. That's true. My son is the best cook, mashallah. He feed his wife with a nice recipe. I'm so proud of him.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do all the praising while I'm in the kitchen, yeah?
Yeah, inshallah.
Burn myself. Oh, okay, let that do its thing.
No, it's still, you can still fit some more. Come and do it quickly.
Yeah, but they need room to breathe. Mom.
Mama,
they need room. Okay, alright.
Zalim Zia.
You know me, I take 6 hours to cook it.
Yeah, I know. You Mr. Perfectionist. Yeah. Because of Jamati Bushika.
Okay. There. Put that.
Okay, let me see. Iqbal playing with children. Mr. Iqbal playing with children. ये सबका favorite है ये मामू. Iqbal, what's in menu?
Huh?
Menu किसे दी?
No, menu ko daga ko ka to. Suriji din.
Nuruji भी वक्त दनोर माता उगो रखन.
बस दा काफी नहीं. रोजे की सो खुराक गई.
बेसिकली सब तो मेरे घर में थे. इकबाल ने अपने लिए सिर्फ खाना बनाया था और हम सब आ गए तो अब वो खाना शेयर होगा. अब वो हर तरफ से शेयर होगा बेचारे का. उसे तो सिर्फ अपने लिए पकौड़े अपने लिए चीज़ें बनाई थी और अब हमारे लिए सिर्फ आधे घंटे में हमारे लिए जल्दी बेचारा ये और सिद्दीक करने लगा. क्योंकि सुमैया की भी आज तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, मेरी भी नहीं है, नाफी की भी नहीं है, तो हम आज कुकिंग के मूड में नहीं. Mika, you can draw here. Sit here, you draw here.
I know what to do.
Huh?
Not
You want to, they're drawing me.
I know what.
Yeah, they're drawing sumo here.
That's
So
good.
ये कहती मैंने भी sumo बनानी, ये कहती मैंने भी sumo बनानी. And Mika, you want to draw sumo as well? What you want to draw? Okay, there we are. Meena, bring you a paper. Go. Wow. Yeah, I got a big eyelash.
Can we take this out?
Yeah, but be careful, Baba. Don't mark the table, okay?
It don't go through.
Yeah. چلے اذان ہو گئی ہے, اب روزے افطار کرتے ہیں. بہت مدت بعد اقبال کے ہاتھ کا کھانا کھا رہے ہیں.
And this Siddiq made, isn't it?
یہ صدیق نے ڈالی بھاجی, and this is Spina Waha, Pathan special food.
That rice is going to be insane.
Yeah.
The rice.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
What does it taste like? How is it?
روزے افطار کر کے ٹیبلٹ کا پوچھتی ہوں. سو آئی سے ویئر از مائی گولیاں, ویئر از مائی ٹیبلٹ. میں نے کہا میں زندہ ہوں گولیوں کے لیے. لٹرلی میں انتظار کرتی ہوں کہ میری ٹیبلٹ کا ٹائم ہو تو مجھے تھوڑا سا ریلیف مل جائے. ادھر ہے نا آپ کیا
You cannot be a Muslim until you accept Jesus as the prophet.
اقبال بچوں کو لگا ہوا ہے تبلیغ دے رہا. ہمارے گھر میں ہر روز یہ تبلیغ کا ایک لیکچر ہوتا ہے. رات کو میں نافیہ کو موسیٰ علیہ السلام کی پوری سٹوری سنا.
Milk is in that one. Oh, okay.
Somebody said that Mama is the woman daughter-in-law duty that make. I say no.
Huh?
I say no. Daughter-in-law duties. There is nothing in Islam that daughter-in-law should work for the thing. If she want to do something, you shouldn't stop her because she can feel embarrassed.
You're having a really deep chat right now about...
Sorry. And I, in my eyes, if your son should look after, like my son look after me, alhamdulillah, Sami look after me.
Sometimes.
Dina's pretty good though, isn't it?
Dina, that's what I say to them. I say alhamdulillah, I'm blessed because Dina always offer me. Sumo, can I do this for you? Sumo, can I do this for you?
You need a dish.
I'm the one. So آپ لوگوں نے سوال کیا ہے کہ یہ بہوؤں کی ڈیوٹی نہیں ہے. ایک بچی نے سوال کیا ہے تو بے شک یہ بچوں کی ڈیوٹی نہیں ہے. بس یہ ہے کہ اپنی ماں باپ کی جیسے آپ عزت کرتے ہو ویسے ان کی عزت کیا کرو. لیکن یہ ڈیوٹی اپنے بچوں کی ہے کہ اپنی ماں باپ کی لک آفٹر کرے. جیسے دینا ہے وہ اس کی ماں کا ایکسیڈنٹ ہوا تو وہ ماں کا لک آفٹر کرے گی. آئی فیل سو پراؤڈ آف ہر. میں نے کہا دیکھو کتنی اچھی بیٹی اپنی ماں کے لیے جا رہی تھی, اس کی لک آفٹر کر رہی تھی. اسی طرح میری بیٹیاں ہیں, میری بیٹیاں میرے لیے لک آفٹر کرتی ہیں. تو یہ تو غلط بات ہے نا کہ تمہاری بیٹیاں بھی تمہاری لیے لک آفٹر کرے اور پھر تم کہو کہ میری بہو بھی میرے لیے لک آفٹر کرے, وہ اپنی ماں باپ کی نہ کرے. جیسے تمہاری بیٹیاں تمہاری لک آفٹر کرتی ہے ویسے تمہاری بہو تمہاری اپنی ماں کی لک آفٹر کرے گی. ہاں, بہوؤں کو چاہیے کہ اپنی سسرال کی رسپیکٹ کرے, جو کہ الحمدللہ آج کل کی ینگ جنریشن سب کرتی ہے ماشاء اللہ. Isn't it? Young generation is your generation is very good.
Yeah, I didn't know what you're saying.
Ekadu. Ji?
I'm not listening.
It's in-laws not supposed to live with daughter-in-law. I think they shouldn't live together. I used to say that Sami should live with me, but now I say shukr alhamdulillah. They live their own private life, I live in my own private life. What's the point? Like Siddiq, Dina, children come like 3-4 times a week alhamdulillah. I have good time with them. Then they chill, they go. Isn't it? Well, what's the point to keep them in your house and then fight every day?
You don't have privacy either.
No privacy for them and no privacy for parents as well. And then it's hate, too much hate.
Problems.
Now when Mika and Hannah saw me, they hug me for hours, they kiss me. Maybe then they don't like me that much. Isn't it? So it's good, yeah. Okay, so that was one thing we
Let me
supposed to
pray
talk
and I'm
about.
coming back, okay?
I prayed.
You're a good
That's
girl.
why I just eat kajur and pray.
You're a good girl.
I'm a good girl. Gorgeous son. مجھے اللہ نے 2 بیٹے دیے ہیں اور دونوں, میں اگر آپ کو کہوں نا اینجل ہے تو کم نہیں ہے. میرے دونوں مجھے اللہ نے انعام دیا ہے, انعام. This is my 5 children is my انعام فرام اللہ. لیکن بیٹیاں تو سب کی اچھی ہوتی ہیں نا, بیٹے کبھی کبھی اچھے ہوتے ہیں, اور وہ میرے 2 بیٹے ہیں جو بہت اچھے ہیں. پر اس کا بہت ویٹ کم ہوا ہے اور میں بہت زیادہ خفا ہو گئی ہوں آج. اتنا ان 30 دنوں میں, بس 30 تو نہیں 25 روزوں میں بہت کمزور ہو گیا ہے. میری جان دور سے بالکل سمی لگ رہا ہے. You look like Sami.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
He is my brother.
He's your brother. اور اللہ تعالیٰ اس طرح کا پیار ہر کسی کو دے جو سمی اور صدیق میں ہے. الحمدللہ سمی اور صدیق میں بہت پیار ہے ماشاءاللہ. سو چلو میں آپ کو اپنے بیٹے کی ریسیپی دکھاتی ہوں. اس سے دو Siddharth, what you did?
Making French toast, isn't it?
अच्छा ये अभी French toast बना रहे. So what you did? Can you tell me please?
So, what?
What you did?
Well, my version is the easy version,
Okay.
which is milk, 2 eggs, cinnamon,
Okay.
vanilla
Yeah.
extract,
Yeah.
and a bit of sugar. That's it.
That's it. And you're gonna dip thingy now, fry them.
We could make
Coffee or cinnamon? I want the cinnamon one.
it's got cinnamon in it, but you put some coffee in there too.
Is it?
I don't know. I did it
No,
yesterday.
don't make-
I did it yesterday. It was so nice.
Is it? Okay, you're gonna make my coffee, Jana.
No, I'm putting coffee in there.
In there.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Oh,
saying.
is it? Okay then. Is it?
We are.
Me and Siddiq, we are coffee lover.
Should we just? What is this? Okay. Yeah, we'll just put a bit of this in.
Okay. So इसने coffee भी अब डाल दिया.
Just a bit. Just a little bit.
अब इसको shake कर रहा है. सीधो.
Alright, there you go. Done.
Okay, ready हो गए. Pan रख लिया है.
The only problem is I'm not doing it right now.
Yo, you're not doing it right now.
Yeah, because the baguette is still stale.
Is
It's
it?
not. It's still more.
Okay, when you're doing it, call me.
Okay.
I'm chilling a little bit.
Okay. Alright. Cool.
I need a tissue.
What? Huh?
I need a tissue.
For what? What happened?
I put ice cream on me.
Oh. Wait.
They are delicious. They're delicious.
Oh.
Oh, okay. Okay.
That's funny. Oh, look at that.
Okay.
Oh, delicious.
A bit more. And then eat it.
And then eat it. मेरे बेटे का फ्रेंच टोस्ट रेडी हो गया है जो आइसक्रीम के साथ सर्व कर दिया है मुझे और मैं अब वो खाऊंगी.